opportunities and/or events are intended for educational purposes only and are not intended to override, modify, misrepresent, or take the place of the guidance and advice of your medical care team. Hey everyone, my name's Amy, and in this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to make Calabacita tacos, or essentially zucchini tacos. So let's get started. The first thing we're going to need to do is chop up the zucchini or summer squash that we're going to be using. This recipe calls for 4 squash of either zucchini, summer squash, or gray Mexican squash. After that, make sure to chop up 1 small onion. Both of these vegetables are going to provide the base flavors for this entire dish. Next, we need to make sure to drain our can of green chilies. After that, make sure to do the same thing with your can of corn. If you can't find a low sodium option, like me in this video, then make sure to rinse it well. Add both of these into your zucchini and onion mixture after it's cooked for about 5 minutes or have started to soften. Next, we're going to add in our spices, and this is going to be some Mexican oregano and some cayenne pepper. Let that cook all together for a bit, and you're done. I like to serve these in corn tortillas with cilantro and some pumpkin seeds on top. Now, if you want the recipe for this, it will be linked down in the description box instead of the quiz for this video. All right, I really hope you like this and enjoy. Thank you for watching the video today, and remember that at the end of each of these videos, there is going to be a short quiz that you can complete listed down in the description box. This is just made to help you review what we went over in this video. Also, there is a PDF linked down there with notes from all of these videos in this series so that you can keep them. All right, see you in the next video.